Hey, what's up YouTube? We're back again with the wrecked Z71, and the truck is now put back together. We are missing a couple of things like the bumper, front and rear bumpers, but we're gonna get to that pretty soon. And this is how it came out so far. Everything is on, the bed size, front fenders. I'll give you guys a little walk around and then tell you guys what we've done to the truck. So it's a 2016 single cab Chevy Silverado Z71, and it was involved in a crash, so this part was damaged and it was lowered before this. So when we started rebuilding the truck, we decided to put a lift on it, and that's when we picked up these King shocks, coilover setup for the front. It has the clicker, and then also for the rear comes with these shocks. It also comes with the clickers for the back. And then from there we decided to go with the fiberglass front and rear fiberglass from Fiberworks. And it has, I think this is like the 3-inch bolt, so it's not too big, but it's noticeable. And then from there we got these Raceline wheels. They're beadlocks, 17-inch. And we got some Baja TAs from BF Goodrich for these wheels. And to run the lift, we did the Missoula upper control arms. And this is, I believe this is the new design. They had a different design before this one. So this is the new design. And then we got the Dirt King alignment tabs, because they do go out of alignment. The other one just has a little slot where this pin just slides in. This one actually has the holes for this one to go in. Due to a collision, we did replace the lower control arm and the knuckle on this side. It's brand new. So I got a new headlight, a new grill. The hood wasn't damaged, just the hinge was a little bent to the side. Oh, and also the windshield was replaced because I accidentally cracked it when I was removing the hood for the first time. And these are the inner fenders that we made from some stock fenders. So these are the ones we cut, we painted. They look pretty good. The new owner added some Baja Design lights up here. What else? Oh, this is a gas tank. So we got the one with the gas tank door. I mean, if you run the fuel cell in the back, you don't need this little door. And then we bedlined the bed in one of the previous videos. We also installed these to reinforce the bed sides, because they kind of flap around a bit without that. And then the Mac tie down strap with they also carry these from Max tie downs, these little anchors, whatever you call these. This is a spare tire with the Raceline, the BF Goodrich Baja. This is a used tire. We decided to get a used tire because it's gonna, the sun is gonna beat on it, so we don't need a brand new tire back here. And then we have the Pro Eagle jack with the jack mount on that side. And we also installed these top pieces for the bed. Just think it looks a little cleaner, kind of gives it an OEM look to it. And also I seen them white and they're just completely white up here, so I think this adds a little to it. So for the rear bumper, he's thinking of doing tubular bumper back here and still having the tow hitch. And these are the CWF shackles and leaf spring hangers. For the front, We'll also be getting a tubular bumper. We still don't know what design, with the skid plate. So something simple, nothing too crazy. And we still don't know if to add the little corner pieces here. So leave that in the comment down below. What do you guys think? I've seen some of these trucks with the little corner piece. Show you guys the inside real quick. Sunroof still functional. When we got the sunroof made, we asked them to do the headliner black, and then we went ahead and painted all this black, and it was in good conditions. But when we tore this down, we just had these things all over the place, so the paint kind of came off. And also we painted this to match with this, so this is the closest color we got to it, and it just looks a little better than the original color. So yeah, everything is back together in here. All the airbags are back in, so there's no lights on the dash except for the tire sensors. One thing I forgot to show you guys, we installed these Baja amber lights, S2 Pros, for the back. So we're also looking to getting the switch panel to control all the lighting on this truck. And we did bedline the wheel wells. It looks way cleaner than all white. And so I just want to give you guys a little walk around. There will be more videos on this truck. We are installing the Cook's long tube headers. We're gonna remove this, the cats, and X-pipe it. And then I believe we're gonna be getting some exhaust exits here on the front of the wheel, right here. Just that thing is gonna look kind of funny with the exhaust back here. Once it gets ducktailed, we are gonna ducktail it as soon as it gets to the rear tubular bumper. So if you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment down below. And like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Yonke_OXC Films. And we'll be tagging the owner as well on those pictures, so make sure to follow him. Hope you guys like it. We'll catch you in the next one.